Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. This is Life with Tommy. So today I'm going to do an unboxing and quick review of new DJI OM4. This is my first unboxing and review video ever, so I might make a lot of mistakes, so bear with me please. Let's check out the back. It says create magnetic moment. So I think this version has a little bit improvements than the previous version. This is their latest one. Let's check it out. Seems like they're still keeping this foldable feature, and these are the two magnetic mounts. Create magnetic moments. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, this is the little tripod. I like it. And this is the magnetic mount, and this is the eraser pad, and look go. This is the gimbal itself. Wow, I like the texture. USB-C cable. Let's check out this cute little box here. Okay. Ooh. I think this is the alignment guide, so you can put this little magnetic mount on your phone. Okay. This is the magnetic mount. I think this is the guide. Ooh, it's a big book. Right. What is this? Seems like this is a cleaning pad and extra some stickers. And what is this? Ooh. This is a little carrying bag, and this is the little wrist wrap. It's pretty lightweight. Let's fix this little tripod. Ooh, it's very cool. Alright. Okay. And also we can hold it like a handle. Like this, I think. This alignment guide is to put this magnetic mount on your phone on the center, so you can guide it like this. So let's see how this is gonna attach. Oops. Okay. Let's try it again. Wow, it's very easy to take it out. It's pretty cool. It's fun. See? Yeah. It's mommy's toy. No for you. You can scan the QR code in the guidebook, and you can get the DJI Memo app in the phone. Let's turn it on. Ooh. Okay, let's go outside and check this guy out.
Let's go.
Let's see how stable is the video when we are walking and when we are running. Let's go. Let's do the run test. You ready? Honestly, when DJI said that they have this new gimbal OM4, we did not think that it's worth buying it. But after using it for a couple hours, after doing all these tests, now we know it's a good investment. It stabilizes the video perfectly, and also it has bunch of other features that you can use it for your video, like active tracks, moving time lapse, and dynamic zooming. It's pretty cool. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the first look of DJI OM4. I'd love to hear from you guys. If you have any questions, thoughts, please comment below. So we'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.